Hi guys, so today's video I'm gonna show you how I've been using this Revlon Salon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. Now I first was made aware about this hair dryer about a week ago, and it was actually on my YouTube feed, and I clicked on the video and I watched the video, and my first thought was like, wow, that's a little bit too good to be true, because it's a hair dryer and a brush in one, and it's supposed to give you like a salon blowout. So I went on my Target app and to see if they had it in stock at my store here. They had it, so I ordered it on my app, and within 2 hours I got a text saying that it's ready for pickup. So I went to pick it up and I paid $42 for it. Now had I walked into the store and bought it, it would have been $59.99, but because I ordered it on the app, I got about $15, nearly $15 off, just from ordering it through the app. So that's a little bit of a hint. So yeah, this has ionic technology. It has ceramic coating. It has two different types of bristles. One is the longer bristles, and in the middle on the sides there's the long bristles and the shorter bristles. So this bristles grips your hair like a round brush, and so you can see it grips it, and you can turn it and you can pull it, and it kind of does you can straighten out your hair at the same time by blow drying it. Now this will be my fourth time that I've used this this brush, and I'm really loving it. I'm getting better and better at using it, but today I'm going to just show you how I've been using it, and it's cut down my hair, doing my hair by, I would say, at least 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm really loving this product. So there's 3 different settings. There's cool, low, and high. Now the only thing about this product is on high it's very loud, but I'll put up with the loudness because this product is really good. So normally what I do is I let my hair air dry for at least, because I have really thick hair, to get to this point of how my hair looks right now, which is about 50% dry, actually maybe about 60% dry, it takes about 2 hours for me to get to this point. So anytime I blow dry my hair, I like to have my hair air dry first, because I don't like to have excess heat on my hair for a long period of time. So right now it's about the point how I like my hair to be, the dampness of it. So what I've been doing is I've been putting up in the front like this, and then I do it in sections. So, and I've been doing it in sections of 5 layers, actually 4 or 5 layers. I've seen some videos that people with thinner hair can do it in 2 layers, but because my hair is thick, I have to do it in that much layers. But it doesn't take any much, it doesn't really make it any longer, because this hair dryer brush is so good. You know, it dries it really quick. So let me show you how I'm doing it. And if you can hear my AC and it's loud, I'm really sorry, but we have construction going on outside, so I had to close the window. You might actually still hear them hammering and stuff, but it was either the AC or hearing construction. So let me layer this up like this. And I like to use my wet brush, or you can use a fine tooth comb. Never use a regular brush, because you'll damage your hair. And I already put products on my hair. I like to use this LV Total Repair Protein Recharge. This has heat protectant already in it, and so I like to put that in, and I comb it through. And then of course I always use my Infusium, which is the Repair and Renew with argan oil. I like to use that. I put that on first, and then I comb it in, and then I let it air dry. So I'm gonna show you how I do it, and I'm gonna kind of speed it up, and I'm gonna let me show you how loud it is first. This is on cool. No, this is on cool. This is on low, and this is on high. So see how loud it is? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I do it, and I'm gonna speed it up, and I'm gonna turn off the volume because it's really loud. I don't think you really want to hear it throughout the whole time that I'm doing this. So yeah, let's get started. So see, this bottom layer is already dry. Now, when I'm doing it, I like to take it and do this, roll it up, and do the curl this way. Some people like to do this. It's really up to you how you like your hair. But it's like getting a blowout, because it's like using a round brush and using the blow dryer, but it's all in one. So let's go ahead and continue. So I go ahead and take down this layer, then I again section it off like this. So one thing about this, this has a little handle, or a little section where you can put your hand in to roll it. In between the bristles, it gets very, very hot, so I wouldn't touch here. Like right here, there's a little section here. I've touched it before, and it's really, really hot. So use this area to twist. It looks really heavy, but it's actually really not that bad. So then I go ahead and section it off again. So this part I like to just, this last section, I just section off the front part here like this. It gets your hair nice and smooth. So the last section I take down. And I like to, at the very end, I like to put it on the cool just to set everything. And that's it. It makes my hair really, really soft. It's soft and silky. And I just love it. So this eliminates me having to blow dry my hair and use flat iron to straighten my hair. But just make sure that you use heat protectant. But yeah, I'm so in love with this Revlon one-step hair dryer. I think with continued use, I'm gonna get better and better at using it. But look at it, and I'll show you behind my hair, behind what it looks like behind. And I know I speeded it up, but it took about 20 minutes to get it from the beginning to this. But look at it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead as usual, put a link down in my description box on how you can get this Revlon one-step hair dryer. You can get it from Target, like I said before. If you order it through, I'm not sure how on the main end is, but here, if you order it through the app, you can get it cheaper than versus walking into the store and picking it off the shelf. I've also seen it at Ulta, and Ulta I believe is $59.99, the same as Target. But look around, you can probably find it someplace that has it on sale. It's so worth it. Even if you were to pay the $59.99, to me this is so worth it. I can't see myself without this. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye.